Just going through the different component parts of the solar PV system. Obviously got the panels on the roof of the building, but down here in this plant room we've got the electrical equipment for it. So on this side here we've got what we call a DC isolator. So that turns the power off from the panels, which then the power then comes down here, DC power comes into the inverter. This then converts it into AC electricity, and it comes out of the inverter through this AC isolator and gets fed into the property. To see if your system is working, there's a couple of ways you can quickly and easily tell. So if it's daylight outside and the system's generating, this red light here on this, which is what we call a generation meter, flashes. Okay, so every red pulse is a generation of an electrical unit there. You can also, if your inverter is online, there's this little sort of LED stick down the bottom here. If it's got a blue light, it indicates it is online and it's communicating with the internet, and a green light indicates it's working, it's fully working. If there's a red light there, that signals there's an alarm on the system. There is an app which goes with it where you can log in and see exactly what is happening and how much you're generating with your PV system. To turn the system off, if ever you wanted to, what you do first of all is you turn off the DC isolator and then the AC isolator. The system then turns off, the red light stops flashing, the display goes blank, and we've got no lights on the LED stick at the bottom. To reboot the system, simply reverse the process. So AC isolator on, DC isolator on, and the system will then start up. It will take a couple of minutes for the system to reboot.
The SolarEdge system comes with an app, My SolarEdge. Through the app you can see how much electricity your PV system is currently generating. You can also see the historical generation either by day, week, month or year. By having your inverter connected to the internet, it means that if there are any issues, SolarEdge can remotely diagnose them, and potentially fix them remotely, or advise your installer how to rectify the problem.